Business Bay is one of the most lucrative areas because that's where all the wealthy tourists are attracted to.
Business Bay is not 6 months in demand, it's 12 months in demand. There are a lot of exhibitions are happening there, so they prefer staying near to that place.
Even if you check in Airbnb property, they are 90% occupancy rate all over the year. The demand for Dubai has gone amazing.
People love to live near the nature. So other than some people prefer staying in the heart of Dubai
Okay.
and especially near to Burj Khalifa. So at the moment, yes, they recently launched a new project, Business Bay, which is very close to a metro station. Again, in that area also demand is a lot and supply is less.
Right. Which is a 101 floors,
Oh yes. It has
right,
101
of tallest tower in Business Bay.
Yes.
But I like this more, See,
Personally, even I
you
love
can have
ocean.
your personal boats, personal yachts, you can have a cruise around, and this is amazing.
Definitely. That again, it's a personal preference.
It's a personal preference. So people, I think, as much as I understand the industry, I think for people who are looking for instant highest rental revenues, Business Bay is one of the most lucrative areas because that's where, all the wealthy tourists are attracted to.
To give you one example,
Yeah.
normally it's very famous for Dubai, 6 months, properties are on boom, you get higher rental income because tourism is higher in number comparatively than summers. Okay.
Yeah.
So what happens in Business Bay? Business Bay is not 6 months in demand; it's 12 months in demand.
Correct.
Why? Because after 2 to 3 stations of Business Bay, there is a World Trade Center.
Yeah.
Every other day, there are a lot of exhibitions are happening there. So people traveling from all over the world. Okay. So they prefer staying near to that place.
Today, Business Bay and downtown, they are like, even if you check in Airbnb property, they are 90% occupancy rate
Yeah.
all over the year. Yeah, so
Definitely.
the demand for Dubai has gone amazing actually. But I think Maritime, because when I saw this area, I was like, this is a gem, because such a limited land, seafront, so close to the old downtown, the airport, it is just in the center of Dubai.